Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Minds. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the second law of Mendel's, which is law of independent assortment. In the same law, we are going to learn about a cross which is known as dihybrid cross. So let's get started. So according to the law, it states that the alleles of different genes sorts independent of one another. What does it mean? If there are two different alleles coding for two different characters or traits, so they are independent of one another. They are playing no role in governing the particular characteristics. So let's learn this law with the help of an example. So here the example we are going to take is of dihybrid cross. Now as the name is suggesting, it's a dihybrid. So we are going to take two different traits of pea plant selected by Mendel. So in this example we are going to take seed color and seed shape as an example. So the seed color are yellow, which is a dominant one. It is represented by capital Y in homozygous condition, and this is heterozygous. And the recessive one is green. It is represented with small y. When we talk about seed shape, it is round. It is represented as capital R and capital R small r. And the recessive character is wrinkled. It is represented as small r. Now let's start this cross. So, the very basic things what we require are parents, female, male. Then, the genotype. So, according to the Mendel, we have to take the pure line of gene, right? So, we are going to write down the genotype, capital R, capital Y, small r, small y. So when we write down the phenotype, it will be round, yellow, and here it will be wrinkled, green. So what will be the gametes coming out of female? Capital R, capital Y. From here we are going to get small r, small y. Now when we move on to the F1, meiosis will take place over here, and in F1 we will get capital R, capital Y, small y. So what will be the phenotype of this? It will be round, yellow. So as you all can see here, we have taken two characters, which is the seed shape and seed color. Nowhere in the cross they are governing one another, right? So now what is our next step? We are going to carry out the cross for the progenies for the F2 generation, that is the second filial generation. So now let's start the second filial generation cross, where we are going to self-cross F1 with F1, right? So what were the genotypes of parents over there? Capital R, capital Y, small y, crossed with capital R, capital Y, small y. So this is your round yellow crossed with round yellow. Now let's see what all gametes we can get here. Out of this we are going to get gametes capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, small y. Same set of gamete will be here also. So in total we are going to get 8 gametes. Now let's find out the F2 progenies with the help of a Punnett square. So let's see how to define the progenies with the help of a Punnett square. So this is how you are going to make Punnett square for F2 generation. So here you can see we have written the set of gametes. These are the female gametes. and these are the male gametes. So just multiply them one after the another. Capital R, capital Y crossed with capital R, capital Y. Similarly, capital R, capital Y crossed with capital R, small y. Then followed by the next gamete and then the last one. So in total, you are going to fill the Punnett square like this. So now let's see how many round yellow are there, how many round green are there, wrinkled green and wrinkled yellow. So if you will see the Punnett square, how many round yellow are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 round yellow. How many round greens are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3. Wrinkled yellow. 1, 2, 3. And wrinkled green is 1. So what will be the phenotypic ratio in this case? It will be 9:3:3:1. So this is known as dihybrid cross, which proves the Mendel's second law, which is known as law of independent assortment, where we have taken example of the pea plant character, where we have looked into the seed color and seed shape of the pea. And the ratio what we have derived from this cross is 9:3:3:1. That's all for today's video. Thank you very much.